By 2026, mental health care is moving from the mind to the entire body. Yoga isn't just relaxation. It chemically alters your brain, boosting the same neurotransmitter that anxiety medications target. This isn't a fleeting feeling. It's a full hormonal cascade engineered to fight stress. Beyond chemistry, these practices are a master switch for your body's entire stress response. We'll show you the neurochemical shifts, the nervous system rewiring, and how your brain is physically reshaped for resilience. First, let's look at stress. How do these practices dismantle it at the hormonal level? They directly lower cortisol, the hormone keeping your body in a state of chronic alarm. Simultaneously, they raise serotonin for mood stability and dopamine for motivation. This chemical rebalance activates your rest and digest system, a full-body signal to power down anxiety. This state of calm allows you to build self-awareness, observing thoughts without being controlled by them. We know it calms us down, but how deep does the change go? What happens inside the brain's command centers? Your brain has an alarm bell, the amygdala, which fires off fear. It also has a CEO, the prefrontal cortex, for rational decisions. Chronic stress keeps that alarm bell ringing. Brain scans show yoga directly reduces activity in the amygdala, meaning fewer false alarms. At the same time, it boosts activity in the prefrontal cortex. You're not just silencing the alarm, you're putting a better manager in charge. This repeated process is not temporary. It physically rewires the brain through what is known as neuroplasticity. A primary tool for this rewiring is simple: controlled breathing, a direct lever to influence your nervous system. Specifically, proper breathwork improves something called vagal tone. But why is this considered the key to psychological resilience? We will get to that. Consider the real-world effect. In one study, yoga outperformed walking for improving mood, specifically due to its superior power to increase GABA levels. This effectiveness is why yoga is now being integrated into clinical treatment plans for depression, anxiety, and even PTSD. One of the most immediate benefits is on sleep. A calm nervous system and relaxed muscles pave the way for restorative rest. The advantages extend to cognitive function. Both practices increase BDNF, a protein vital for learning, memory, and concentration. We have focused on yoga, but Pilates offers its own unique and powerful pathways to mental well-being. What sets it apart? If you struggle with a racing mind, Pilates has a specific neurological target, the default mode network. This brain network is active during mind wandering, often leading to anxiety. Pilates' intense focus quiets this network. Pilates also cultivates embodiment, a strong mind-body link. This physical mastery translates directly to improved self-esteem. For some, mindful movement helps process physical tension where trauma is held, allowing the body to release stored stress. So if these practices alter our nervous system and brain activity, can they physically change our brain structure? The answer is yes. Remember the calming of the amygdala. That less stressed internal state is the ideal condition for the brain to rebuild. This is where vagal tone is so important. High vagal tone means your body gets better at returning to calm, building a more resilient nervous system. The result of this well-regulated environment is tangible. Research shows practitioners have more grey matter in areas for emotional control and memory. Let's connect it all. The practices alter brain chemistry, which calms your nervous system, allowing your brain to physically build more grey matter. This is why, by 2026, the discussion is changing. Wellness will focus on nervous system health as the foundation of mental health. Yoga and Pilates are evidence-based methods for regulating your neurochemistry, rewiring your stress response, and rebuilding your brain. From yoga's impact on brain chemistry to Pilates' ability to quiet rumination, there is a path here for almost everyone. The future of mental wellness is in how you move, breathe, and inhabit your body. The power to change your mind is already within you.